नमस्ते बच्चों। आज टुडे we will start again our chapter solid state. Today I will explain you different types of solid. Solid state is a state in which molecule remains in fixed position, fixed shape, fixed volume, and broadly we can divide solid state into two parts: amorphous solid, crystalline solid. Amorphous solid is a short range solids. They are isotropic. What is the meaning of isotropic here? Isotropic term is used to show that all physical properties are same in same direction. If we will measure the different physical properties in different directions, then all remain same in all directions. Which kind of properties are these? Mechanical strength, refractive index, electrical conductivity, etc. They remain same in all directions. But crystalline solid, they are anisotropic. Anisotropic means they show different properties in different direction. Some special physical properties like resistance different in different directions. Basically, two important questions are there: why crystalline solids are anisotropic and why amorphous solids are isotropic. Now, different types of crystalline solid. First one is molecular solid. These are molecules and they may be of three types: non-polar, polar and hydrogen bonded. Non-polar means they have non-polar covalent bond like H2, N2, and which kind of forces are present between them? We know very well: London forces or weak dispersal forces. Polar like HCl, polar covalent bond, partially negative, partially positive. And which kind of forces are there present? There are present, which kind of forces? There are present dipole interaction, SO2. We can see in SO2 also, HCl. Hydrogen bonded, again repeat, FON, FON. Three elements form hydrogen bond with bonded hydrogen atom. For example, HF. One molecule is this, one more molecule, HF. This is called hydrogen bonding. And these molecules, these crystalline solids are known as hydrogen bonded molecular solids. These all are covalent. Ionic solids which have ionic bond. And which force is present between two atoms or between two constituents. For example, Na plus, Cl minus. Which kind of source? Electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. Metallic solid. Now one more kind, metallic solid. Metallic solid are the solids of metal. Different metals are in solid state and these metals have metallic bond between them. Metallic bond, electrostatic force of attraction यहाँ पर नहीं होता, यहाँ पर metallic bond होता है. And free electrons are released by atoms of metal. So in the sea of electrons, atoms of metal are there. Last one is covalent solid. Covalent solid contain covalent bonding. We can very easily learn by the name covalent bonding. Example, diamond. Diamond is an allotrope of carbon, contain carbon bonding. Graphite. quartz. These all are covalent or network solid. So this is the classification of solids. Solids are of two types, amorphous, crystalline. Amorphous are very short range solids. Molecules are not properly arranged, but in crystalline solids, atoms or particles are very well arranged. These are anisotropic. Physical properties are different in different directions. Crystalline solid are of four types: molecular, ionic, metallic and covalent. You can learn one by one. Okay, thank you.